Hey loves, you are welcome. Are you looking forward to buying a new ring light? Do you have a ring light already? Or do you want to know more about ring light? Then this video is for you. Take a chill pill, stick and stay, and keep watching to the end of this video. This video is A to Z about ring light. It's fully loaded. We're gonna be doing three things at the same time. We're gonna be unboxing, fixing, and testing. So today you're gonna be learning everything. I mean everything. After watching this video, you don't need to watch any other video. Now let's get started. This is the very 22 inches ring light we're gonna be unboxing. It actually came with its stand. My first positive impression is the weight. Both the ring light and its stand are actually lightweighted. With this, I can carry them anywhere at any time with ease. Firstly, we're gonna be unboxing a stand and later move to the ring light itself. So get set, let's open it up to see what is in this box exactly. Boom! This is it. This is cute. It is made of metal and bakelite, which means it's gonna be very durable, and that is a plus. So let's go ahead and open it up to see how long this stand is. I realized there was a very nice screw down there. When you loosen it up, it gives you the opportunity to be able to expand and contract the stand how you want it. When you are done, you need to tighten it up once you are okay with how you've spread your stand. This upper part also has about two different screws. When you loosen it up, it gives you the opportunity to extend the length of your stand. When you get to the level you are okay, you need to tighten it back, and this will make it stand firm. So let's continue to pull it up, 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 up. Wow, it's very long. I'm already liking it. It's very long. Let's look at how long it is. Look at how long it is. Wow, this is very long. Almost hitting my ceiling. That's nice. With that done, let's start unboxing the ring light. This is the casing. It's 22 inches. It comes with a lot of accessories, so let's get into it to see what is in it. So I'm going to be opening it up. So what is in the box? What is in this box? What is in this box? What is in this box? Okay, we are done opening the box. Now I'm already seeing a black bag, which I'm gonna be bringing out. Ooh, out. This is it. It's a very huge bag, but very light as well. That's what I love about it, as I said earlier. So we're gonna be unzipping it to see what's in there. Let's open it. Ring light is open. I can see the ring light in there. It's huge. Wow, this is huge. I think 22 inches is the largest size so far. Yeah, if I'm not wrong. It's because when I went and I was asking, they were like 22 is a large size. Okay, so this is the last size. We have a lot. We have from 22 downwards, even to 3 inches ring light. So go ahead and choose the size you want, depending on the project you want to embark on. Taking a look at the lower part of the ring light, let's analyze this. We have these 3 ports right there. It actually supports screwing. This is where the phone holder is gonna be attached to the ring light. Because of the size of this ring light, it actually supports 3 different phone holders. This is the slot for camera. So this ring light, it supports 3 different phone holders plus a camera, and I think it's a plus for the brand because there are other brands that support only phone, they don't support camera. Okay, next I can also see these 2 turnable buttons right there. Be knowing what these 2 buttons are meant for when we are done with the setup. Okay, just stick and stay. I can also see this sensor right there. I think there should be a remote for this ring light because of the sensor. Let's also analyze the back of this ring light. The back has 8 power port right there. This is where we're going to be connecting the cable to the main source of electricity. Okay, it also came with these two USB port. This is the point to be connecting to the stand. There's a hole in there. It also came with a screw. You will loosen the screw, that way it will give you space to be able to connect it to the stand. And once you are done, you have to tighten it up to make it firm so that your ring light will not fall off. This bar came with a pocket, okay, and I think the accessories were put in there. So let's open the pocket to see what exactly there. The first item I removed was one of the phone holder. Second was another phone holder. The third thing was also another phone holder, and the fourth was the power cable. The last thing is the remote with 8 batteries. I'll be assembling all this and testing the ring light for you to see. These are basically the items the ring light came with. So we are going to be exploring each and every item right here. We'll be looking at the uses and testing everything rightly. This is the remote. I'm going to be fixing the batteries first. It came with 2 batteries, so I'll be fixing the batteries. When you go out there to buy ring lights, there are a lot of things you must put into considerations before considering which ring light to go for. Okay, basically you must consider the need you want to use the ring light for. Okay, and that will influence the size of the ring light you want to go for. Okay, our remote is set. We have the on, off, left, right, up, down, RGB, CT plus, CT minus section right there. We'll be testing this very soon, and these are the phone holders. So we are going to be fixing everything to the ring lights, and we are going to start the testing very soon. Please, at this moment, if you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Be part of this wonderful family and let's grow together. Okay, so this is the power cable. I'm going to be connecting it to my ring lights. Once I was done, I'm also going to be inserting the ring light onto the stand. Okay, this is the port where I'm going to be using to insert. So before that, looking at the phone holder, there's a spring in there. You can open it, fix your phone and get back. And the stick of the phone holder is also flexible. You can tilt and direct it to any positions or any direction you wish to. So we are going to be screwing all the phone holders right in there. Then we start with our testing. Like I was saying earlier, if you want to consider a ring light, you have to also look at the heat production of that ring light. Consider all those things. At this moment, I'm done fixing all the phone holders, and I'll be connecting the power button to my main source. I'm also reducing the length of the stand because it was too high. I just needed something at an average height, so I reduced it. And this was everything. Now everything is set, ring light is set, stand is set. I'm going to be fixing it in. Okay, so watch how I'm going to be doing it. We are fixing it in. I've loosened it already, so we are just fixing it. Now it's set. I'm tightening it just to make it firm and keep it in place. This other part of the ring light is for regulating and bending of the ring light. So when you loosen it up, you have the opportunity to bend it to any angle, take it back to any angle, okay, except side by side. Apart from that, it can go low, it can go high, it can go back. Okay, that's what that screw there is also meant for. I'm going to reduce it a bit further to a level that I can actually test it for everybody to see. So I'm going to connect it to my power source. Now I'm done connecting. Let's on it. Oh, this is the first test. It's so bright. Testing it. It came with a lot of shade, a lot of different effects. It came with a lot. So let's just try it. Let's try it together. We are all going to try it together. We're not going to see the effect. Okay. At this moment, I'm trying to change its effect and the brightness a bit, so I'm loving it already. What I so much love about this 22 inches ring light is the fact that I can take it even to the effect that 10 inches, 6 inches, ring light will give me. Okay, one of the advantage I'm going to enjoy for going for this one. And I also love about this ring light is the fact that even if your remote is not available, you can use those two buttons to control the brightness, the shade. You can still use it without the remote. Also enjoy the brightness. If I want to take it to the highest brightness, I can actually go for it. Now let's go to the real tests. This is me without a ring light. Boom! This is me with ring light. How? Look at the effect. I'm glowing. I'm just look at that. And also increase and reduce the brightness, change the shade and change everything. Let me blow your mind about this ring light. It actually has about 40 different brightness effect. I'm gonna be adjusting it till I get to the point I feel this effect on my skin is okay. So you have variety of options, variety of shades. So for this ring light, and you're gonna thank me later. So thank you for stopping by. Love you all. For now I say bye bye until we meet in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe and like